How to play Roblox on PS4. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can play Roblox on PS4, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to actually play Roblox on PS4, now you can see Roblox is now officially available on the PlayStation Store both for PS4 and PS5 as well. So if you want to get and play Roblox, just head over to your PlayStation Store, and then all you have to do is from the top of the search bar, just go ahead and then basically type in Roblox over here. So once you type in Roblox here, you'll be able to see the game on the right hand side. So make sure that you have downloaded the game, which is completely free by the way, so you don't have to pay anything to get this game. And if you want to play it, just click on the start button after download, and then you'll be able to successfully play Roblox on PS4. This way you can play Roblox on PS4. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.